To the right is the preimage and the image. Tell if the image is a dilation or a reduction of the preimage. So remember that the preimage is the figure that we're starting with. So that would be figure A, B, C. So the red image, A prime, B prime, C prime, is the image. And we want to know what happened. Well, we can clearly tell that the image has been reduced or made smaller. But let's say we want to find the scale factor. Well, to find this, I'm going to use one of the ordered pairs that was plotted. So let's use point A. It's at the point 2, 4. And A prime is at the point 1, 2. So remember, we multiply to get the new point. So when we're trying to find the scale factor, we're going to divide. So we take A prime and we put it over the preimage. So this would have a scale factor of 1/2. So we divided each point by 2 or multiplied it by half, but it has to be multiplied, not